Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to make screen shake in Capcut. Please make sure to watch this video to the very end to avoid missing any vital information and making any mistakes. In saying that, let's dive in. Alright, the first thing you need to do is head over to your Play Store, search for Capcut and make sure Capcut has been updated to the latest version. Once that's done, click on Open. Now find the video where you want to add this shake filter in. So I'm going to use this watch video. And then once your video is uploaded into Capcut, click on Effects, click on Video Effects. Now a quick way to find this is just type in shake. And there you've got about 5 or 6 different shake options to pick from. I'm just going to go ahead and click the second one, just like that. And now if you like the shake, just click on the tick there to add. So I've got 2 shakes here. Accidentally, I'm going to delete one. Now to save it, click on the download button. This is exporting. Okay, this video is saved to device and projects. So now if I want to share it to TikTok, click on share on TikTok, or you can share it to Instagram, YouTube, WhatsApp, Facebook, yada yada yada. Alright, that's the end of this video guys. Thanks for watching to the very end. Please consider to like this video and subscribe to our channel if you found this helpful. We really appreciate it and it helps us out a lot.